Most professionals think progress comes from intensity. More effort, more urgency, more visible action. It feels productive, it feels responsible. But over time, intensity becomes fragile. Quiet systems don't feel impressive at first, but they scale when motivation fades. This video is about why quiet systems outperform loud goals, especially for professionals building long-term leverage. Goals are visible, they create urgency. Deadlines, targets, expectations. That pressure can work briefly. But pressure relies on emotion. Emotion fluctuates. When motivation drops, systems are the only thing left running. Professionals are trained to be dependable. They respond quickly. They deliver consistently. They absorb responsibility. But when everything depends on personal output, progress becomes fragile. Quiet burnout doesn't look dramatic, it looks like stagnation. A system isn't a tool, it's not a routine. A system is anything that produces results without constant decision making. It removes friction, it reduces effort. It keeps progress moving when energy is low. That's why systems scale and goals don't. Loud effort is reassuring. You can see it, measure it, talk about it. But visibility doesn't equal leverage. The most effective systems often look boring. Repeated actions, small optimizations, quiet consistency. Nothing dramatic, just durable. Leverage works quietly. One small system improvement saves time daily. That time compounds weekly. The energy compounds monthly. Quiet growth rarely spikes, but it also rarely collapses. Introverted professionals tend to think before acting, reduce unnecessary motion, prefer stability over chaos. This makes systems easier to build and intensity harder to sustain. Quiet leverage fits how introverts already work. Intensity demands recovery. Consistency doesn't. You can't sprint indefinitely, but you can walk every day. Quiet growth is about removing dependency on peaks and relying on baseline momentum instead. Systems feel slow because they don't create adrenaline. There is no rush, no applause. But outcomes accumulate beneath the surface. What looks like inactivity is often preparation. Authority forms when decisions become easier, outcomes become predictable, others rely on your stability. None of that requires visibility. It requires repeatability. Loud systems collapse under stress. Quiet systems adapt. They don't depend on mood. They don't require constant input. They last. If progress feels exhausting, the problem usually isn't ambition, it's structure. Quiet systems remove pressure. They protect momentum. They scale without noise. Quiet growth lasts.